Hey friend, this is Neha and welcome to my RTO Consultant YouTube channel. So friend, in this video we are going to discuss about how to transfer ownership of vehicle in Mumbai. So friend, first of all we are going to discuss about the step by step guide on how to apply for transfer of vehicle ownership in Mumbai. After you have purchased a used car, you can start the process of transfer of ownership at the RTO in your area within 30 days of date of purchase. The RC transfer process comprises many steps via first step procedure of no objection certificate from the traffic department required if seller and buyer of used car reside in different RTO area. There are fairly good change that the second hand car that you have brought in Mumbai is registered in another state. In such a scenario, you will need to first get the car deregistered in its original RTO and then follow the below processes. The first process is obtain a NOC by submitting a duly filled Form 28 to the original RTO. Then the second, also if the second hand car you have bought in not registered in any RTO of Mumbai, you will have to get a form number 29 from the original RTO. Then our step 2 is visit RTO with required document. After you have obtained the NOC from the original RTO, you can start the transfer process of an outside registered car at the local RTO after submitting the required document, which include original RC from another state, Form 20, NOC from previous RTO, Form 27, Form 33, attested copy of address proof, attested copy of the valid driving license of car owner, attested copy of PUC certificate, PAN card, Form 60 or Form 61, passport size photos of applicant, pending bank NOC if the vehicle is under a loan. It may be noted here that the new owner of a used vehicle should be very careful while filling the RTO form. In the case of there are sections that aren't applicable, he should simply put an oblique A instead of leaving a section blank. Step 3, submission of document. Once you reach the RTO with all the necessary documents, you will have to submit them to the authorized and pay the fees for RC transfer. The entire ownership transfer process will take up to 30 working days to complete. One can check the RC status of the vehicle on the official government portal by visiting this link. Then the step 4 is re-registration of vehicle after interstate transfer. Once you have received a NOC from the original RTO, you will have to apply for the re-registration of your used car in RTO in your home area. This can be done by submitting the following document: original RC from another state, form number 20, NOC from previous RTO, form 27, form 33, attested copy of address proof, attested copy of the valid driving license of car owner, attested copy of PUC certificate, PAN card, form 60, form 61, passport size photos of applicant, lending bank NOC if the vehicle is under a loan. Then after the submission of above document to the RTO, a new registration number is allotted within few weeks. Then the step 5 is payment of road tax. In case the second hand car that has just been bought is registered outside Mumbai, the new owner will be required to pay the road tax to the RTO in his home location to get his car re-registered. This tax is charged based on the original invoice of the vehicle. It may be noted here that the new owner can claim a refund of the original road tax from the original RTO, which is calculated on the age of vehicle, The document required to obtain reimbursement include applicant for road tax refund, updated and signed Form 16, which is essentially the applicant salary certificate from the employer, copy of the new registration certificate, copy of the old registration certificate, insurance policy with new registration number, proof of ID, address proof. Then we are need some documents. So document required for transfer of vehicle ownership in Mumbai. Here is a list of official documents that are necessary for the transfer of ownership in Mumbai. So what document we are required? First is original RC, Delhi field form number 29, Delhi field form number 30, copy of valid insurance, copy of valid pollution under control certificate, copy of residential certificate, means voter ID, passport, telephone, electricity bill, ration card, etc. Attach any two attested copies. Crime report of NCRB. So friend, these steps are required for transfer the vehicle in Mumbai.